cardboard sign. Runs when it wants, but runs just fine. It don't go fast, it'll cough and hiccup, but that's what you get in a $50 pickup. Yep, I'm gonna fix her up, y'all. Now I got a $50 truck with the yard sale wheels, puking smoke from the back, leaking oil from the seals. The windows are as dark as a dead man's hearse. She pops out of gear and won't go in reverse. Laugh all you want, with a little luck I might pick up a girl in my $50 truck. Tires, but they're 33. Starts real hard, don't even need keys. My blinkers don't work, got a rusty roll bar, but I'd rather have this truck than a brand new car. In my $50 truck with an old bench seat, feeling like Tim McGraw while I'm rolling down the street. No AC and the doors don't lock, but I still pull up like I own the block. Yeah, it's ugly, and I might be a schmuck cruising down the road in my $50 truck. It shakes, it squeaks, it always stalls, but hanging off the hitch is a set of balls. Laugh if you want, I know I went too far trying to turn this truck into a superstar. Yep, $50 for a truck that don't run right. 4 old tires and wheels and off-road lights. I can see you laughing from your fancy ride while I'm on the shoulder, cause my truck done died. Broke but spending every last buck on a broke down smoking $50 truck.